Assalamualaikum. Good morning, friends. How are you? My name is Haroon Rashid, and today I want to make my breakfast, and I want to share my breakfast recipe with you as I'm home alone today. So I want to share my most favorite breakfast recipe with you, and the things we needed in order to make this breakfast. The number one thing we need Vita bread. It is also called shawarma bread, and then we need egg and onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. And here we have oil. Okay. Now I'm going to break my egg into one half. I'm sorry, I don't have any helper right now. That's why I'm doing this work myself. Okay. So then I need actually salt. Then I'm going to mix my egg with the onions and tomatoes. So guys, this is the mixture of my omelette. So my omelette mixture is ready. So now I'm going to put some oil into frying pan, and then I will put my omelette mixture into the frying pan, and I'll spread this batter because I don't want to waste any of my food items. So that's why I'm just doing it with my hands. Okay. So here is my omelette mixture. I'm really sorry that today the gas is not very good. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I will show you my Vita bread. When I will fry my Vita bread, which is also called shawarma bread, it looks like this. Okay, we will make this bread same like this, and it will look, the brown color is so good. And after my omelette is complete, I will put some mayonnaise on this Vita bread, and then I'll add my omelette on the top, and I'll fold it right like this, and then my sandwich is ready. Okay, guys, so let me do this. So the guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you like my video. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.